Hello everyone. So tonight I wanted to go a little further on the lighting fixture I created for our electronics lab here at Fabrico, which basically is some dead LCD panels, which I removed the panel to keep the backlight. And well, I'm using the power supply and the backlight and the assembly itself, and with some Arduino Nano and some wiring, I can control the backlight from both displays here. So each one has its own power supply, but it's like 20 watts or so per panel, so even less. I think it's 15 or something. So yeah, for now I made the prototype on a breadboard. Let's see here. So yeah, you can see here the prototype using an Arduino Nano, and well, there's a 5-volt regulator here because the power supply from the LCDs is 20 volts, so it's a bit too much for the internal regulator of the Arduino. Yeah, and some months ago I already created a proper schematics for the stuff in Fritzing. Well, I'm not really fond of Fritzing. It kind of works, but it's a bit weird. It has some interesting things, but well, it's not the most efficient for drawing schematics, but it kind of works for stuff like perfboard and other stuff like this, and breadboard, documenting prototypes. So yeah, it does the job here. Here you see I get like 8 outputs. The software I wrote actually handles 4 channels, but well, you can easily use two screens for a single channel. So well, you could probably go up to 8 panels. But then the interesting thing is each channel has separate thresholds, so you can compensate for screens with a different minimum and maximum backlights with the software. I can probably show you. Where is it? Arduino. It's not public yet, but I should publish that someday. And for now it's just hanging above the bench. Ideally we'll make some drawable-like fixture with rails here that you can pull to get the light where you want. But well, for now it works. Why isn't Arduino starting? Well, it's starting, but it's slow. Oh, here it is. So code is a bit convoluted because I wanted to drive the power supplies inputs using about the same frequency the actual screen used, which is like 15 or 20 kilohertz, while the official Arduino PWM is more around 500 hertz. Yes, and there's a serial interface which you can actually send commands to, one-letter commands, so you can actually change the settings and dump the settings, and then to apply the settings you edit this and you recompile the code and refresh it, so it's saved from the IDE directly. Yeah, well, it works, but the breadboard is not really handy to fit inside the furniture here, so I wanted to make a proper soldered version with less components, because I'm not gonna populate every jack here, because I only need 4 of them. So I just use one per channel, one jack per channel, and that's it. Yeah, and also you can solder the potentiometer directly here, but you can also just use the jack and use cables recycled from headphones or something, like I did. Yeah. So let's see. Here I have already cut some board I had around. There are some holes here, but well, it's in the middle of the circuit, so it's not really a problem here. Well, that's recycling. Hi, Retro Dodo. So yes, I'm missing a column for this board, because I documented it using a 40 by 25 or something, and like it seems all the perf boards I find are 39. Well, it's not like I really need this jack here anyway, so that should do it. Then well, I guess I'll start by soldering all these jacks here. Let me pull the webcam here, because it's not really handy to solder there. Okay. Why is it? Yeah, I don't really need the YouTube player or the Twitch player working right now. My laptop is already busy enough. So I need to find proper fit for this stand. Okay, so at least they don't move away from there. well, it's not like they would get out of the place anyway. The pins are quite large. Who are you? Well, I'm me. Well, LOL. So I do have some jumper blocks here. I pre-cut to length. This one will be for the regulator. I do have others here, but I'm not sure where, so I have to pick this one. I also need a jack there later on. And I will need some wires and resistors. So yeah, 1K, 2.2, 1K. I think they used to be like about sorted from by value, but that's not exactly the case. No, it used to be, but I see 1K here. Oh, 1K. Yeah. Which is 20K. No. 51K. 200 ohms. Why is this here? 6K. 2K, 2, yeah, not too bad. Yeah, 201. 220 by 10, okay. Yeah, that should do it. It's not like there's much current in there anyway. Basically, those are dividers, because the screens we have here are delts where the power supply is controlled by 3.3 3 signals. Well, they do work with 5 volts, and the Arduino gives 5 volt outputs. So, well, I thought, well, let's just add some resistors just for the sake of it. But then I added a jumper block in the design, so if people want to control 5 volt inputs, then it would work as well. Yeah. Then I will need wires, lots of wires, lots of waffles. There I do have wires. So which colors do I have? The colors I want. Let's run this. It's noisy. Not sure where these came from, but well, Got it from a friend. Yeah, purple or something. I think there's a pink on the drawing, but it's just because I didn't really had enough colors. I like pink. I mean, why not? Orange. I see orange. It's like trying to untangle hair. It's not really easy, but well. Yeah, no, well, okay, what? Not even sure what is this to these poor cables, poor wires. Oh well. Gray, yes, I need gray as well. Let's pull them here. Well, I probably won't need much more than this. Anyway, I need orange. Yeah. There it is. Yeah, sorry, I have the window open because, well, I could try and cut the fan, but it's quite hot in here. Yeah, I forgot to stop the fan when starting the live. Orange, brown. Oh yeah, there's a brown here. I think it's a bit thicker. Yeah, that's weird. Well, that could work as well. Ah, there goes the resistors. Okay, what is this? Oh, there's one here. That should do. Yeah, this one. Okay. Let's see if we get copyright strike because some idiots use their car as a way to stream music to all the neighbors. So where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are at like 5. Here. I think that's it. Yeah, I will have to fit the resistor here, but yeah, that should work. Yeah, I will need a breadboard, because, or oh yeah, I could use this. This should work. So here, there. So yeah, well, it doesn't need to it won't need to support any component, so it doesn't really matter if it's really vertical or not. Anyway, yeah, I put more solder when I add the wire anyway, so it's just to lay out the components. And the other one here, zoom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, and 3. Just use another color, but 1, 2, 3. Something along these lines. Yeah, looks like it. Oh, of course, the webcam has froze. I'll be back. Okay, let's see if we're still here. Are we still live? Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, sometimes it does happen. The webcam, I don't know if it's the driver or maybe the webcam itself due to the USB cable that's too long, or I don't know. Anyway, let me stop that. So okay, there's some so now I want to put the resistors. So I need 22K. Oh no, 2.2. Yeah, 2K2. Right. Let's start with these, just in case someone rips up the start of the ribbon here and loses the marking, because not everyone knows the color code by heart. I used to, but some colors are, well, is it this one or this one? Anyway, so basically the 2K resistors go to the ground here, so I can just stuff them there, and yeah, there you go. That should work. I don't need to isolate the wires or anything, because there won't be any oh sorry, forgot to change the camera. So yeah, I can put there here, because they need to go to the ground pin of the jack, and here, and well, I can put them here. It doesn't really matter. This pin is only connected to this one when there's no jack inside. Actually, can I fit two of them here? Between the pins? Yeah, kinda works. I could do that. Ouch. Hurts. Yeah, can do this. This one goes there. Well, yeah. That should work. So, yeah. And then this one goes here. Yeah. And this one goes there to this bin. I just bend it around the pin here, fold it back, and voila. It's not like the PCB will be really crowded anyway, so it doesn't really matter if there's insulation or whatever. Because the other wires will be insulated, but well. So I suppose I can cut this now. And yes, you should always fold these, because they tend to fly away, like into your eyes, including if you have glasses. Netigal 2K, hi. Yeah, right, I could have put them on the PCB, on the top side. Yeah, well, on the other hand, this way I have more room for marking stuff, putting labels and stuff like that, so and well, it doesn't really add much to the height anyway. So then I need the 1K ones. So basically they need to go between the outermost pin, between the two outermost pins on the jumper blocks. So yeah, I can just bend these around like so. Bend them back. Where? Yeah, well, not too bad. Okay. Probably wait before cutting the legs here, because I need to hold it while soldering the wire. So I need, well, I probably don't need all the wires here. Oh yeah, right. Well, this wire I don't need, this one either, because I won't be putting the second half of the channel. So yeah, I need the orange wire here, the brown here, and that's about it. Yeah. So orange. Yeah, right. I need to go to the middle pin from there. Probably get my wire stripper. So from here to there. That's fine. Okay. Well, yeah, this way I can fit. Okay, next. Brown, brown, brown. This one. Goes from here to about here, so let's just bad idea. So I'm making a little hook that helps fitting the wire around the pin here. Yep. Well. Doesn't seem to. Doesn't want to stick to it. Yeah, there we go. Maybe from this side. maybe I should just do some wrapping. Actually, I don't think we have the proper tools for that. There you go. So same for this, and 1K. Maybe I should solder the wire first. White. Oh yes. There I need to chain them. Maybe I should do this. With this and to somewhere here. So yeah, I can just strip it here and then strip it here. Will it work? Yep, kinda. But then I will need to do it every space. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, a bit too much, maybe. Okay. Then this one, well, so I don't have to cut 4 wires and solder them to each other and have one going out, stuff like that. Well, hopefully. This is getting on my nerves. Where is it? So let's steam that. Well, try to. No. Yeah. Okay, and then this resistor, oh, first I need to get this wire, a gray wire here, from here to there. So that doesn't want to solder. What? Yeah. I wanted to stick to the pad as well. Yeah, so it has more strength. Yeah. And then this 1K here. I could probably put it that way. Yeah. Oopsie. There you go. Okay, ouch, that's hot. Yeah, of course. Started to burn the insulation, but well, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, not as pretty as could be, but that's enough. Well, I have like 3 more to go, I guess. Well, I could do the rest. So yeah, I need some black wire too for the ground. I have back here. This one, whichever. Oh, that's orange. That I can do later on. I guess I will need the I need the Arduino anyway. So this is this one. Let's tear that down. So that's the so that's the prototype. With the power input. Well, yeah, this I will want to use a straight pin header instead of the angled one, so I have to desolder this one. And then I need the Arduino. Ooh. Okay, so you won't like me doing that. Ugh. Okay, not too bad. So we should have this here. So I have like D12. D12 is here. Yeah. That one. One only? Yeah. Well, it's not like we really need those lines anyway, because I won't be using the pot on the PCB. Oh well. Yeah, it's probably easier this way. Ooh. Okay. That's quite close. Well, there are like 6 wire going to here anyway. I can shift it downward. Yeah, it will be easier to work with. So I will have to, yeah, I don't want to put it flush with the board, but I want it to be aligned possibly, so I will fit these under here, and hopefully yeah, that should do it. So now I can like solder the corners or something. Yeah, I need all pins soldered anyway. I guess I need to finish this now tonight, because it's really missing this lighting here. Anyway, so the white wire goes to the first pin here. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. Under this. Yeah. yeah, so okay, this one. Brown goes to, well, I can route it from inside. This here, obviously I'm missing a pad, but that's not really a problem. So D12, that's D9, 12, 11, 10, 9. Yeah, that's the one. I just twist the wire end just to make a little hook, and that should do it. No, I didn't want to cut it. Oops. Yeah. Not all tweezers are handy enough to do this, but yeah, that should work. Yep. First need to solder the white one. Ouch. I moved the lights down and I just bumped inside of my head. Oh, and my fingernail just remove some insulation. Oh well, that's fine. But the wire that hot, the plastic just melted where my fingernail where pushing it. Anyway, I'm thinking I will need some jumpers. I don't think I have ones around. Oh well, that can do for testing. Yeah, I'll just do that. Jumpers on the chip or not. Yeah, okay. Well, that's enough for testing. I can probably, yeah, I need at least the jack for the pot. Which goes somewhere around there. Totally arbitrary position, but well. So yeah, I need the ground. Oh yes, ground here. I could probably go around like that. Well, yeah, it's not really great. Oh well. Where does the ground go? Where's the BS? Oh. Okay, it's there. Second pin here. Goes to here. In ground. Yep. And I forgot to change the scene. Hot. That's enough. Of course, that's too long. there you go. Extra wire, great. So and I need blue and red. Yeah, oh yeah, red is 5 volts and blue is the signal. So 5 volts, that's ground, 5 volts, it's this one. I need a red wire. Yeah. Okay. So ground reset 5 volts. 5 volts is here. It goes there. That. Okay, perfect. Next, a blue wire that goes from here to A0. A0, A0. A0 is here. 4th pin from there. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, blue, blue. Blue as the sky. Light blue, yeah. There you go. And so of course some random stuff jumps from the table. Yeah, from this side it's probably better. you go. Okay. So I have, well, this part is the power supply, but I can actually power it from a micro USB if I need it. Yeah, I have at least one channel that should be working. Yep, I will need a mini USB, mini, that's a micro, mini USB. And I need a second jumper. For yes. Yeah, that should do it. So let's try that. I need to power it on. Well, first maybe I need to wire it. So that's the cable from the potentiometer. So it has some rough time, but that goes there. And then there's this channel here, and I said, yeah, mini USB. Except I'm out of USB port on my laptop, so I have to go to this power brick here. That should work. Yep. And if I plug it in, yep. Oh, sorry. So yes, that's the slider, that's the output, and that's the mini USB. And if I, yeah, and now I can, I think there's some bug around there. That's weird. There must be something wrong. Did I wire it backward or something? Well, it should still work. A0. Oops. Yeah. Power. TX. Now something weird. Let's see. Well, oh right. I think I forgot something obvious. Like, I said, yeah, I'll do it later. Of course. Ground. Hello, ground. Yeah, I didn't ground this jack, but not this one. So, of course, that might not work very well. So I need to go here from here, potentially here, and then here. Yeah, okay. That's hot, and yeah, we don't want shortcuts to 5 volts by running the insulation. Yeah, oh dear. Let's move it over there. Yeah, that should be safe. Maybe I should go under this wire. And then there. Well, well, actually I can get it here anyway. So I need to tune it right here in the middle, right here in the middle. Zzz. Zzz. Okay, now that might work a little better, except that's hot. Except I need to put my jumper back here. So where were we at? But channel 1. And power. Yeah, much better. So you see, as I slide the pot around, well, the light increases, except the camera compensates, but well. Ooh. And then when it's under a threshold, it just stops the power output to prevent flickering. But yeah, works fine. So I just need to wire the 3 other channels, and that's it. I could actually I could see, maybe I could show you the debug outputs in the Arduino console, on the serial console. I just need to unplug this. Hopefully it won't crash OBS. Yeah, should still work. Let's restart Arduino. And yeah, I also need to solder this. This is slow. Well, it's Java, but still. Java can be fast, if you do it properly, of course. Yeah. There you go. Tools, serial monitor. Of course, it didn't. No, that's not a Uno. It's a Nano. USB 0, I think. And it's here, yeah. And oh yeah. Of course, forgot to change the scene as always. So yeah, that's the serial prompt from the board, from the board here, and basically you can interact with it, like question mark. It just dumps the help. You can change the selection for settings. So it says panel 1, well, channel 1 selected. You can select either the low or high threshold setting, plus minus to change the values, and you can then dump what has been changed. So if I want to change the low value and I hit plus, multiple pluses, and if you dump again, well, then from it was 40, it went to 52 here. So yeah, that's for all the 4 channels, and then that's the general setting. Well, this one is ignored, but this one is the minimum value before starting the display. Below this, from the potentiometer, it would just shut the thing down to avoid any flicker, because some of the displays at very low settings, they just don't know what they want, so either they light up or stop or blink or whatever. So yeah, debug. Well, that's just for some other code when it's running, but I think it's disabled now. So yes, that's about it. Okay, it just changes the whole setting for the ID. Yeah. So basically I need to add the regulator and the other channels, and I should have the board ready for mounting. Next I have to design the proper fixture themselves. Yeah, I think I'll end the stream here, so I can put the fan back on to finish soldering. Bad contact, maybe? Yeah. Well, it's working as intended, at least. Yeah, bad contact in the jack. Well, once installed, it shouldn't cause any trouble. Anyway, yeah, there was some soldering, and yeah, someday I'll document this on GitHub. I already have the repo done locally, so it shouldn't be too hard to do it. Bye.